Good morning, friends. This is Shriyasha from Crazy Money with Shri. Today is 1st of December, and let's see what's happening in the market. After 2 days, 3 days of actually gap, we are going to get started today, and let's see how actually things have been working and what could happen in the market. If you're still not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. So let's get started, guys. So what has happened is on Friday, I told you yesterday also that we have a high volume and the price has gone down, which is a little worry factor because that is showing us that the shorts are getting built up, and the trend probably can continue because what has happened yesterday in the US market is very similar to what I was talking to you about. Now, if the correction is going to come, this could be drastic. Now, we still don't have any, uh, we cannot actually conclude anything at least at this point of time because it could be a simple profit booking. But if a follow through selling comes, so that is going to confirm that this trend probably is going to reverse because we are getting very close to the levels which I have been talking to you about, which there are certain parameters which we are looking, which is tending towards actually the reversal, and the sign have come now. Tomorrow, that is actually today's closing on the US market, is going to confirm us whether actually there's a trend reversal. Similar such thing we have also been seeing in the European markets. So the follow through selling has to come, and if that follow through selling is going to come, then probably it will be a trend reversal. So let's see what is happening in the Indian market. The future suggests that probably we will get started with a positive note. We may be starting somewhere around 12,980 or 13,000 range. Now the challenge is, will we be able to cross Friday's high of 13,035? That will be something which we will be looking for, or probably that is a place from where we may actually start seeing the weakness coming in, because the futures right now are actually in the US market and all is suggesting positivity, showing that probably whatever negative fall had happened is just actually nothing. It has actually trying to show that it is going to move away kind of thing, but I really don't know how far it is going to hold on. Even the European markets are showing actually positivity, so probably the opening will be definitely positive. Will the follow through buying come in is something which we have to see. As I said yesterday, so we may have sell on rallies, provided we cannot move beyond the 13,050 kind of a range. If by any chance we move ahead and the follow through is going to happen, we are able to sustain those levels, then actually probably we are probably moving towards the 13,150, which is the all time high. And if it is going to break, then actually this negative divergence will become positive reverse divergence, and if that is going to happen, probably the trend can continue. A lot of factors are suggesting it might not continue, but still anything can happen in the market, and we should be ready for both of them. So as I said, if we move beyond 13,050 and 13,100, sorry, 13,100 and above, then there is a probability we should be moving towards 13,500. But by any chance we break the 12,800 barrier, now the major support will be at 12,700. If that cannot hold, we may move towards 12,500 kind of a range. See, the supports are strong, retracements are actually very shallow. We may either actually move more on the sideways pattern, or if the correction is going to come, we may see some correction also. We should be ready for both of them because we have moved up quite a lot. And if US market is also getting to a correction, then definitely we are also heading towards correction. So let's see how things are going to work at this point of time. um, uh, we cannot conclude anything. As I said, it is still in the sideways between 12,800 to 13,000. So only after we break this barrier and close above 13,000, that is where we could probably try moving beyond it. Otherwise, we may still be in this range. So there are stock specific opportunities for buying and stock specific opportunities for selling, especially bank nifty. What is happening with bank nifty is it has given a substantial move. Now is now if it can break 13,000 30,000 barrier which actually it had created, now that is going to make it a positive reverse divergence which can take the prices still more higher. But by any chance now it can actually start coming down, then there will be a lot of profit booking which is going to happen with bank nifty. There's a lot of stocks like ICICI Bank and all have been trying to show negative patterns. Now, will it take a support or will it take a resistance is something which we have to see. A lot of stocks have come to the support levels and is trying to show weakness, and especially stocks like Infosys, Reliance, and all are actually showing uh, things like it may break the support. If it breaks the support, then we should start seeing a good amount of sell off which is going to come. And if we sustain the support, and then probably the trend can still move. So we have to see this. What is happening is in the Indian market, most of the stocks are coming at the support levels and showing as a way in which probably it may break the support. And the US market, most of the stocks are right now at the resistance and also showing that a similar kind of a thing, that resistance is going to bring the prices down. So until unless now if the US market resistance gets broken, then actually rally can continue. And in the Indian market supports have to hold, then actually the rally can continue. Otherwise at either we will be in a sideways pattern or there can be correction which could happen. I see the we are in a very strong bull market, so there could be retracements which will happen in the stocks. So let's look at that and see how things are going to go ahead for that. And as I said, gold and silver, now they are trying to take the support which we have been talking about. So it was able to sustain the lower levels. And now if we cross this 1800 barrier in gold, then probably gold will start again moving on the higher side. Crude oil actually has been taking the resistance at the higher levels as we were talking. Like see right now OPEC meeting is happening, and seeing the overall picture, probably if they want to increase the production, then probably now that will be a negative factor for crude oil, and that should bring the prices down. If otherwise, if they announce a price cut, sorry, production cut, I don't see any much headroom which is there. Probably the uh, whatever up movement, whatever we saw, was based on that news that this particular movement has happened. So it could be buy on rumor, sell on news kind of a thing. So that should again bring the prices down. So I only see sideways to negative in crude oil and sideways to positive in gold and silver. And even in the stock market, probably it will be more of sideways. And if we break on either side, we will move in that direction. More likely on the negative side is what I am seeing right now. But only market will show us the direction. At this point of time, there is no clear direction and there's no clear clarity as to what is going to happen. As I said, we are in the support, and if the support is going to hold, then probably market can move further higher. But if the support doesn't take and if weakness starts coming in, then there is a big movement which can happen. Right now what is happening is lot of small and mid cap companies are actually getting into the buy mode, and the large cap companies probably are getting into the sell mode, which is the Nifty 50 stocks are getting into the sell mode. So let's see how things are going to work. So stock specific opportunities are still there for buying, and there could be some weakness which could come in the index also, or it can go in the sideways also. Okay, if I fine guys, if you have found this video interesting, then actually you can look at liking the video and subscribing the channel and hitting the bell icon. And if you are still not a part of my Telegram channel, please actually subscribe to Crazy Money Tree Telegram channel. Thank you very much. Have a great and profitable day.